All right, so for today, I'm going to be using Tarn-X tarnish remover to clean my Hmong jewelry. Um, what you want to do, you want to boil some hot water, put it in a bowl or cup, depending on the size of your jewelry that you're trying to clean, and then pour some Tarn-X chemicals in the hot water. Then put your jewelry inside there. You want to make sure you soak it for about 5 minutes. Once that's done, you want to get the toothbrush, start scraping the all the crusty, rusty materials from it, and then just let it sit back in there for another 5 minutes while the chemical does its process. Once that's done, pour out the chemicals, and then you want to rinse it with hot water, or if you want to do boiling water, to rinse off the axis, and then rinse it with cold water afterwards and just dry it off. And here's your new jewelry.